Hi students, I'm Paul Verdicto. In today's class, we learn on the topic connecting MySQL and PHP. Storing and using data has become a common and widely used technique in computer and internet-related applications. And this humongous growth of data usage raised the need for a secure and convenient environment to store data. At present, relational database management systems like Oracle, MySQL, IBM, and DB2 are the most commonly used database managed systems to store data secured. MySQL with PHP has become very popular server-side scripting language. In today's lecture, we are going to see about MySQL and PHP connection establishment, SQL statement execution, database selection, and connection termination. To access database, PHP uses MySQLi functions. The function used to connect PHP to database server is MySQLi connect function. This is the syntax of the function. Inside the bracket, there are 4 parameters. They are server name, username, password, and database name. Let's see an example to know how database connection is managed with this function. First, we are declaring our 4 parameters. Then, an object is created for the function. And then we are using if condition to check the connection is established or not. If the connection establishment fails, we get connection failure as output. If not, we'll get connected successfully as output. The main objective of connecting PHP and MySQL is to use and edit the data in the database server. But to do that, connection function alone is not sufficient. To retrieve data, MySQLi query function is used. With MySQLi query, data from the database server can be retrieved. This is the syntax of MySQLi query. It has 2 parameters, connection object and query. In this example, using query, we are getting the name and age details from the student table. Closing function. Connection between MySQL and PHP can be terminated using MySQLi close function. This is the syntax of the function. That's all for today's class. For more lectures on 12th standard computer applications, subscribe and follow Hard Drive channel. Thank you.